Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X5 taillight. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and a ratchet. Make sure you have the correct replacement tail light assembly for your specific BMW X5 model. It's also important to work in a well-lit area to ensure you can clearly see all the components and fasteners. Now, let's get to the tail light. Open your BMW X5's trunk and find the access panel, often a small carpeted door, inside the trunk. Carefully remove any interior trim pieces that might be covering the tail light assembly. Once exposed, locate the electrical connector. Press its release tab and gently pull it straight out to disconnect it from the old tail light. With the electrical connector detached, you can now remove the old tail light. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting nuts, often 8mm or 10mm, holding the assembly in place. Unscrew these nuts. Once loose, gently pull the old tail light assembly straight back and out from the vehicle body. Take your new tail light, align it carefully, and slide it into position. Then, secure it by tightening the mounting nuts. Before fully reassembling, connect the electrical connector to the new tail light. Turn on your vehicle's lights to test if the new assembly is functioning correctly. Check the brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to ensure everything works as it should. Once confirmed, reattach any interior trim pieces you removed. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. This ensures your BMW X5 is safe and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.